And pretty much all you have to do is just copy this link, paste it into this field right here, click on apply, then just go to this website right here and type in there something like get paid for. What's going on, guys? It's Andy here, and in today's video I'm going to show you a simple beginner-friendly method that you can use to make over $17 every 15 minutes over and over again on complete autopilot without having to sell anything. Now this method is going to be completely done for you. All you have to do is just watch this video from beginning to the end, follow exactly what I'm doing, then just go out there, do these exact same steps, and that way you can make yourself some money with this too. Now this is not going to be one of those methods that's going to be making you thousands of dollars per week, and this is not going to make you quit your job by doing this once every couple of days as a side hustle, a couple of minutes per day. You can start earning some nice additional income, and maybe you can reinvest that into one of my other methods and start scaling that up to a full-time income. So if you're looking forward to this, just smash the like button under this video, subscribe to my channel to stay tuned for more money-making content, and also make sure to hit the notification bell so as soon as I release a brand new money-making video, I can notify you immediately and you get to watch it right away. What you want to do is go to Google and you want to look for CPA Grip. Just hit search on that and then go to cpagrip.com, and obviously if you haven't been here before, what you want to do is go to this register button and you want to sign up for your free account. Now this is very simple sign up process. All you need to do is just fill in your personal information like first name, last name, where you live, what state you live, your city, and all that good stuff. And the important part that you cannot miss out on is this publisher type. You need to select website/instant or GPT. That way you will get your account approved instantly. Otherwise, if you're going to select email or this other option, your account will not be approved instantly. You will have to do some additional verification, and that way you cannot start making money as soon as possible with this method. So pretty much just make sure to select website/instant or GPT, and then make sure to fill in the rest of these fields as well. Then pretty much just make sure to tick all three of these boxes right here, click on register now, and you will get your account right away. Then just log right into it. You can go ahead and use this button right here, and this is what your account is going to look like once you log right into it. Now this is one of my dummy accounts that I created just recently to test out a brand new method for you guys that I will be bringing you in one of the future videos, because obviously I don't want to spill the beans on the main stuff that I'm doing, so I have to keep that information private, but this is going to work very well for a brand new account just as well. What you want to do is go to this toolbar and you want to select offer tools and go to my offers, and obviously you will get the offers tailored for the country that you are living in. What you want to do is go to this country section and you want to type in there Italy. You want to search for Italy because we are going to be promoting Italian offers. Now you don't have to worry about not living in Italy or not speaking any Italian, because I'm going to show you how to do this very effectively without speaking a single word in Italian or even never setting a foot to that country. Pretty much what you want to do is go ahead and filter these by payout, and you want to look for these offers that are paying over $17. Actually, they're paying $17.11 for each of these completions, and the exact offer that we are looking for is one of these iPhone 14 giveaways. Now pretty much you can find them by this iPhone icon right next to the offer, or you can just go ahead and read the title. It's going to be something like Prendi il tuo iPhone 14 Pro. Did I get that right, guys? Do let me know down in the comments how's my Italian, but I'm guessing it's terrible, so go ahead and roast me down in the comments for my Italian language skills, because they are not as good as my money making skills, and that's why we are here for today, to make money, not to learn Italian. So what you want to do is go ahead and open one of these iPhone 14 giveaways offers, and as you can see right here, these offers are available for Apple. So what you want to do is just go ahead and open one of these offers, and you can see right here it's pretty much the exact thing that is describing like a iPhone 14 giveaway, and all you need to do to sign up for this deal is just pretty much fill in some personal details. Now because these offers are very hard to promote in other languages, that's the reason why they are paying so much money, because if this was like a United States offer, you will get paid like $2 or $2.50 for each completion of this offer, but because of the language barrier, they are actually willing to pay a lot more money to get the customers from Italy as well. So what you want to do once you open this offer is go ahead and customize the domain of the link that you're going to be using to something a little bit shorter. For example, let's go with Froyo Mobile this time. It's going to look like something that has to do with mobile phones, and that way it's going to be more enticing. Pretty much just copy this link. Then what you want to do is go to Google and you want to search for Google Sites. Type in there Google Sites, hit search on that, and what you want to do is go to this first right here that's completely free, and it's created by Google to create a simple landing page that you can use for this method and other methods as well. And pretty much you don't have to pay for any hosting at all. Granted, you're going to be limited by the options that are available for Google Sites, but for this method you really don't need that much options, because I'm going to show you how to set up very simple landing page from scratch on Google Sites just by using 3 elements. First of all, what you want to do is go to Google and you want to search for iPhone 14 unboxing. One of the reasons why you have to search for specifically unboxing of iPhone 14 is because we are going to be looking for images of iPhone 14 giveaways, and pretty much if you're going to be promoting an offer that's going to be giving away iPhone 14, you want to have some of these images that are looking a lot more realistic. For example, this one right here, or you can use this one right below, or this one to the right. You don't want to be using any of these professionally edited images because they are not going to be inspiring trust in people that are going to visit our landing page. So pretty much what you want to do is scroll through this page and find one that you want to go with that's going to be like an amateur picture taken during an unboxing of an iPhone. Pretty much I want to go with this one because this looks like somebody took the image once they unboxed their new iPhone, and we want exactly this for our landing page. So I'm just going to download this to my computer, then just go back to Google Sites, go to this section where it says images, click on image and upload the image that you just grabbed from Google. Just like that. Then also make sure to position it in the middle of this site and also go ahead and stretch it so it's going to be feeling like the 3/4 of the side or something like this. Then pretty much go back to CPA Grip, and what you want to do is copy the title of this giveaway and then paste it right into this site title. It's going to look something like this, and pretty much what you want to do now is just add text box right above the image. Just go ahead and place a text box right there and drag it over this image, and in there type in something like brand new iPhone 14 giveaway. Place another text box right below this image this time, and there you want to write something that's going to sound like sign up for a chance to win brand new iPhone 14. Click here to register. What you want to do is then just customize this text a little bit so it's going to fit this image a little bit better. Place them right in the middle. Go ahead and make them larger and bolder, just like this, for example. Okay, then this one as well. Then just go ahead and drag the text right over the image, something like that. Okay, this one as well. And pretty much now comes the most crucial part of this process, because this offer is specific for Italy only. What you want to do is actually go ahead and type in the title something like unique for Italy. Now comes the clever part where I'm going to show you how to actually bypass the language barrier so you can promote this successfully for Italian people without them having to speak a single word of English or without you having to speak a single word of Italian. What you want to do is go to Google and you want to search for Google Translate. Hit search on that and go to Google Translate, and what you want to do is select Italian translation from English to Italian, because this is the exact two languages that we are dealing with. Then go back to your landing page, copy this title right here, paste it into the Google Translate, and it's going to translate it for you instantly. What you want to do then is just copy this title that's in Italian now and paste it in here instead of the English one. Then just go ahead and do this exact same thing for this bottom text as well. Paste it in there, then just pretty much copy this entire text as well and paste it instead of the old one, just like that. Now go back to CPA Grip and you want to get the link to the CPA offer for the iPhone 14 giveaway for Italy, and then just go back to your landing page and you need to embed the link to this sentence in Italian. To do that, all you need to do is just select this entire text, go to this link button, and here you want to paste the link to your CPA Grip. Then just click on apply and it's going to become clickable link. This entire sentence is now clickable link. Also, what you want to do is go ahead and select this once again, and you need to change the color of it into this bluish 0000FF, because that's like the #1 color for all clickable links on the internet, and every time somebody is going to see it, they will know they can click it and they will be direct to the CPA offer, complete it if they want to win new iPhone 14, and you will get paid $17.11. So pretty much this is the entire landing page. All you need is just these 3 elements, this title, image, and the call to action in Italian. Now you can just go ahead and publish this site. Then you have to choose an address for it, and for that I recommend that you go to CPA Grip and use something from this offer. For example, I went ahead and used this title, but I'm going to add a couple of random numbers in there, so I'm not going to be taking the available address from you guys. Pretty much then just click on publish and this site's going to go live, and if I'm going to view it, it's going to look something like this. Now once somebody is going to come to this site that's living in Italy, they will click on this button, they will be taken to the CPA offer, and all you need to do now is just drive the most amount of Italian people to this site that may be interested in an iPhone 14 giveaway. Now for that you can use multiple traffic sources, but one of the easiest to set up and one of the easiest to use, and also that's completely for free, is simply go to Twitter and you want to write in exactly this tweet. Hey, anyone from Italy? Did you know this site is giving away brand new iPhone 14? I already signed up, go ahead and do it as well. And what I highly recommend is use exactly these hashtags that I'm going to give away to you for free. First hashtag is going to be location. If you're going to be doing this for Italy, just use hashtag Italy. If you're going to be doing this for France or Spain, for example, you can use France or Spain. Then what you want to do is use hashtag of what item you're giving away. In this case, the giveaway is about iPhone 14, so the second hashtag is going to be iPhone 14, and obviously the third part is going to be giveaway because the offer is promoting an iPhone 14 giveaway. And then what you want to do is add 2 more hashtags that have something to do with the product. For example, if you were to give away GoPro, you will just put in GoPro and camera, or for example, if the giveaway is about PayPal gift card, you will just type in PayPal and gift card. Then pretty much what you want to do is go ahead and copy this entire tweet that you have written, because obviously we are going to be promoting this in Italy and you want to make the most impact possible, and the best way to do that is if this tweet is going to be in Italian. So just go ahead and copy that, go back to Google Translate and paste it in there, and pretty much what you want to do is go ahead and copy this entire tweet. Now, I'm not sure if this is grammatically correct, guys. I don't speak any Italian at all, so if there are any Italian speakers out there, just let me know down in the comments if this is a correct translation, or if you'll be so kind, just go ahead and type in the translation that you would go with to help all the other viewers who don't speak Italian just as well. Pretty much just copy this, then go back to Twitter and paste it into instead of this English text just like that. And then also you need to put in your Google site, and then also you need to put in the Google site. So just go to your Google site, copy its link, paste it in there into the tweet, and then just hit tweet, and it's going to get out there. Now you want to paste this exact same tweet at least once every day for the next week. That way you will start getting some traffic from Italy to this Google site, and if they want to win a free iPhone 14, they will sign up for the giveaway, and that way you're going to get paid $17.11 on complete autopilot. Now you can also do this for other countries just as well. For example, if you're going to go to Spain or France and search for this exact same giveaway, or if they don't have this iPhone 14 giveaway, you can use any giveaway out there. Just make sure you're going to customize your Google site accordingly, use Google Translate to break the language barrier, and that way you can make some serious money with CPA marketing. And that's it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this method. If you did, just make sure to smash the like button if you haven't already, and if you're hungry for some more money making content, try checking out one of these videos out there that are popping up just right now. Choose which one you want to see more. Other than that, I just hope you have a fantastic day, and I'm going to see you next time.